So today, actually, the brands, all the organizations, the professionals we are going to discuss today is how to exploit the business opportunity, one of the fastest growing organized food market, which is we call it Bharat or tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Incidentally, जब बोला गया tier 2 and tier 3, मैंने कहा let me see the definition. तो गूगल पे देखा आरबीआई ने डेफिनेशन दिया है टीयर 1 मींस मोर देन 1 लाख और उससे ऊपर मेट्रो एंड हो गया टीयर 2 इज 1 lakh to 50, then 50 to 20, 20 to 10, up to tier 6. Less than 5,000 is called tier 6. 5 to 10 is called tier 5. And we know 65 to 70% consumers are there. And especially if you are dealing with the food, demand for your brand or food is directly proportional to the number of stomachs you are going to cater or you are going to cover. And when you talk about tier 1 to tier 6, more than 70% stomachs are there. So as per the whatever estimates are available, out of the 60 lakh crore food market in India, and out of that 9 to 10 lakh crore is the organized branded packed market, only 3 to 4 lakh crore is this tier 1 to tier 6 market. And that is the fastest growing because most of the metro and other markets are come to a saturation level where you snatch the market share from other brands or other categories. So we are very happy that we are going to discuss today a category which is growing thanks to the increase in population and more money to spend. And also in the geography where market is shifting from loose and unorganized to the organized. And I'm very happy that we are a very esteemed panel, very accomplished panel, and all have come very grounded and also delivered the results. सुदीप जी हमारे हिंदी हार्टलैंड से आते हैं गोल्डी मसाला आई मीन this is he is going to tell the story how they have built the brand in the Bharat. So today, first of all, I think I'm going to ask one simple question. Question is, what is the single biggest shift which you are observing in the Bharat or tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities? What is the biggest shift in food?
So the biggest shift I see in Bharat, चाहे इटली का पिज्ज़ा हो या जापान की सुशी हो, मुझको मेरे गांव में अभी इसी समय सही दाम पे चाहिए.
Price is very important. Okay, thank you. So again, talking on the same thing, we come to the Sudeep ji because he has been heading a brand which has made inroads into the small places of UP and now all of India, especially in Bombay, etc. So I am going to ask you because everybody is sitting and they want to see that they also exploit the growing market of Bharat. Some people have made their brand established in metros or bigger cities. What do you think when the bigger brands, when they venture into smaller markets, tier 2, tier 3, what general mistakes they make? I mean, then when they, the same like your masalas or same cold drinks or same food they launch in these smaller markets. What mistakes generally they make?
So sir, before I got married, I rejected 7 girls and I was rejected by 11 families. And after that, when I analyzed, I think something which I can say after a marriage of 18 years, I think for few of them I was unaffordable. For few of them, my brand value was very high, and maybe for few of them I was very cheap. And they didn't want me to enter their house also. Although मैं पढ़ा लिखा हूँ अमेरिका से ऐसा बात नहीं है. And I think it's a similar story for a brand to enter any market. It's like a marriage. And after the marriage, you have to adjust. Over the years, I realized if I have very good relationship with my father-in-law, then I am the twinkle, twinkle, little star in my wife's eye. And that is how the brand is. When we entered Gujarat, we launched no onion, no garlic range of spices to ensure that Goldie becomes the household and like they own that brand. Brand is nothing but a perception. We could be very big in North India, but when I come to Gujarat or Maharashtra, I have to behave and own Ganpati or Garbha as my own festival, I cannot start talking Bhaiya language in Maharashtra and believe that they will own me. So it's like a marriage where you start accepting, innovating, and over the years start behaving in the local manner and also understand the changing pattern. And today, India is a place where fusion is the main game. And I think Harpalji knows in his restaurant, nobody wants aloo tikki the way it is served on thela today. They like thela food, but in your restaurant, they want aloo tikki in a fusion way, golgappa with some in a pizza flavor.
Ah,
And that is where in Goldie we feel that innovation has become so important, where we are able to solve local taste with international presentation, but affordable at what they are able to afford in their own manner in their local area, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. And what Rohit ji said, they are consuming the same content on social media. They will want a Maruti, they cannot afford Mercedes, but they don't want Maruti basic. They want the upholstery, they want the woofers, they want the lights, they want that feel of a Mercedes inside a Maruti. And that is what I think in tier 2, tier 3 is most important today.
that's thank you, Sudeep ji. No, agar if you are a new brand and especially going to the smaller market, how to build the trust? और अगर आप ट्रस्ट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन द ब्रांड नेचुरली यू रिक्वायर सम प्रीमियम टू बी चार्ज तो सुदीप डू यू थिंक इफ यू आर बिल्ड अ गुड ब्रांड मतलब गुड प्रोडक्ट कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी है आपने सलमान खान को सेलिब्रिटी भी रख लिया ठीक है सब कुछ रख लिया डू यू थिंक दैट भारत कस्टमर विल पे यू प्रीमियम फॉर दैट आज का कस्टमर एक सेलिब्रिटी का करोड़ रुपए का जब खर्चा करेगा उसका प्रीमियम आपको देगा मसाला जैसी प्रोडक्ट में
Not everywhere. And it can happen maybe in Nariman Point where they don't see the MRP. But if I go to Chhapara, Bihar, and I think it's very, very important. And I agree the purchasing power is very high in tier 2, tier 3. But the mindset of spending that money on the certain product is different from the mindset of spending in Nariman Point. They could have a bank loan, but they will spend thousands in a restaurant. But in a tier 2, tier 3, they could have huge bigha of farms. But the mindset of spending 5,000 in a meal is not there. So we have, and sir, आप ही ने बहुत साल पहले मुझसे कहा था कि भारत में पहले गली का ब्रांड बनो, फिर मोहल्ले का ब्रांड बनो, फिर शहर का ब्रांड बनो, फिर प्रदेश का ब्रांड बनो, फिर देश का ब्रांड बनो. And I'm following your
ओह
footsteps.
थैंक यू यू रिमेम्बर थैंक यू वेरी नहीं देखिए आपने जो बोला because now I'm just trying to recollect my journey in long journey in Amul of 41 years, especially last 12-13 साल का. And I tell you, in 2010, we decided one strategy called expansion. 3E, expansion in milk procurement, expansion in processing, and expansion in distribution. Coming to the distribution, the what strategy we said is, उस वक्त 2010 में कि we'll go to 20,000 टाउन पॉपुलेशन फिर मैंने सोचा उस वक्त हमारे दिमाग में ये नहीं आया जो आज सोच रहे हैं कि टीयर 2 टीयर 3 टीयर 4 फिर सोचा 10K टाउन में जाएंगे जब 20K हो गया फिर सोचा 5K में जाएंगे एंड यू वोंट बिलीव विद दिस स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ गोइंग इनटू भारत लास्ट 12-13 years we recorded a sales growth of 17 to 18% CAGR. 9 times our turnover multiplied from 8,000 crore in 2010 to 72,000 crore in 23. प्रीमियम की बात बोलूं देखिए when you go for such type of investments in brand and distribution, you may not be requiring premium because let me tell you, साउथ बॉम्बे वाला या पेडर रोड वाला भी जब दूध लेगा चीज लेगा या नमक लेगा या आपका मसाला लेगा वो वैल्यू डिलीवरी देखेगा वो नहीं बोलेगा कि रेस्टोरेंट में मैं 1,000 रुपए खर्च करके आ रहा हूं So that comes out of the volume or scale you get. Scale will give you the extra margin because of your cost of supply chain will reduce, cost of manpower will reduce, and those all things. Last question again to every one of you, and very quick answer. You see, you know the ground realities. We know traditional kirana, then the online, that quick commerce, modern retail, D2C, B2B. What do you think for Bharat in the coming decade? Which format will be the winner, or which format is going to get or give the brands maximum growth? Can you tell us which format is going to give? आप सुधीर जी, आप तो बताइए.
So I agree with Sunil ji, local kirana, but the biggest winner will be the local modern trade, who is giving the feel of a modern trade, but values and culture and relationship
ये
of
जो
a
ये जो
local
इन्होंने किया
kirana.
है,
Yes,
हाँ?
absolutely.
Okay.